Hello viewers, welcome to Unbox. Please subscribe to stay updated with all latest news on Donald Trump. Law enforcement officials involved in the pursuit of Donald Trump have faced severe harassment and intimidation, and a legal expert has accused the former president of using crowd violence against him. Back his enemies. Federal agencies say threats to law enforcement as a whole have decreased since Trump was indicted in the classified documents case compared with shortly after the FBI raided Mar-a-Lago to investigate that case, but former prosecutor Barbara McQuade told MSNBC's Morning Joe. Personal threats are worrisome and highly unusual. It's not normal, McQuade said. When we collect those threats, every time former President Donald Trump says such things about witch hunts and hoaxes, calling for a cessation of funding to the Department of Justice, there is a risk that someone will hear, solve the problem themselves, and initiate prosecution. McQuade added, I have threats, others have threats. Intense. Prosecutors have more to do than check their security services, and they have lives. They have children, they have things to do in their personal lives. It will be a whole new day if prosecutors will have to think twice about whether they can safely do their job. Some Wisconsin Republicans cast doubt on Donald Trump was elected as the party's next presidential candidate. In an interview with host Roger Stone on Sunday, Trump responded to reports that he admitted he hadn't declassified certain accounts data before leaving their positions. These files are believed to be in the hands of Jack Smith's special counsel. By the way, the tapes you read are my tapes, Trump interrupted. I'd be happy to give them ribbons. Trump complained that President Joe Biden probably doesn't have a criminal record. I gave them the tape, he exclaimed before threatening to release FBI footage of the Mar-a-Lago search. Trump is also responding to the Fox News analyst's label as a loser, causing a storm on social media. Former President Donald Trump was quick to respond to a comment by Fox News analyst Brit Hume, in which Hume called him a loser during a recent appearance in a Fox News special. Trump has decided to use his favorite social media platform, Truth Social, to express his disagreement and present his views on the matter. Hume's comments came during a discussion of the 2024 Republican presidential primary, where early polls showed Trump a significant lead over other Republican candidates, such as Governor Ron DeSantis and former Vice President Mike Pence. Even so, critics have expressed concern about Trump's electoral fraud allegations and the Republican Party's poor performance under his leadership. In this segment, Hume argues that Trump can be called a loser due to the series of electoral defeats he and his endorsed candidates have experienced. In response to Hume's comments, Trump stated on Truth Social, "First of all, he never thought I would win in 2016 and some things never change." The former president then highlighted his record vote count in the 2020 election and challenged President Joe Biden's victory.